Welcome to the pre-intermediate ESL grammar. Yesterday we talked about a very interesting topic. But before we go there, how was your weekend? I hope you had a wonderful time. We talked about present progressive. Do you remember how we said we can form present progressive? Yes? Adding ing. Very good. We add ing to the verb. And what is an example of a verb? Walk. Walk is a good one. Walking. We added ing to the verb walk. Now we have walking. Can we now say this is present progressive? Is walking present progressive? No. We need more information. What information do we need? We need another word to go with walking. This word can be am, it can be is, it can be are. And what did we call these words? Many months ago we called them be verbs. Am is a be verb, is a be verb, are is a be verb. So what do we need? Number one, we need a be verb, and what else? A verb ending with ing to know that the sentence is in present progressive. Is walking, that's present progressive. Are walking, present progressive. Am walking, present progressive. Some people call it present continuous. So if I say to you walking, is that present progressive? I say no. And you tell me why. Singing, is that present progressive? Did you say no? If you said no, that is the correct answer. Singing is not present progressive tense. We need the be verb to make a decision. And what is the be verb? If we are talking about him, then we will say he is singing right now. What did we say about the present progressive? We said present progressive tells us the action is happening right now, right this minute as we are speaking. You are looking at me right now. Looking. Are looking. Are is the be verb. Look with ing shows that the action to look is happening right now. I am looking at you right this minute. Right now I am looking at you. Am looking is present progressive. Can I say looking alone is present progressive? No. We need the be verb to decide. And what is the be verb? If I'm talking about me, for I, the be verb is am. If you want to tell me that you're looking at me, the be verb for you will also be I am looking at Victoria. If we are looking at him, we say he is walking. He is walking into the room right this minute, right now. The walking is happening exactly this minute as we are talking. This is present progressive. We see people walking down the street through the window. What are they doing? They are walking down the street. ing, the verb walk has ing to tell us that the action is happening. Are helps us decide when the action is happening. It's happening right now. They are walking down the street, not yesterday, right this minute. Very good. I hope we've made some notes. Now, the topic for today is about gerunds. What is a gerund? A gerund is a noun. How do we make this noun? We add ing to a noun. I'm sorry, we add ing to a verb. Give me an example of a verb. Walk. Walking, yes. Walking is a gerund. Another one. Singing. Yes, singing is a gerund. Why? We added ing to the verb sing. Talking. Talk is the verb. Ing added to talk, we have talking. Talking is a gerund. There are 3 ways in which we can use gerunds in English sentences. Let me know if you find one more way to do so. I know of 3 ways. Today we will talk about one way. We can use a gerund as a subject of a sentence. Do you remember what a subject is? We had this lesson several weeks ago. Don't tell me you forgot. A subject in a sentence is the doer of the action. Yes, we said a subject is the doer. For example, walking keeps him busy. What is the verb? Keep. And who is doing the keeping? Who is doing the verb? Who is the doer of the verb? Walking. Walking is the doer of the action. And what's the action in this sentence?